Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. All right. So let me share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So our last session, one-on-one session, I have sent the video to you. Did you watch?
Yeah, but you know what, Benny, I really am sorry. I have to tell you that when you told me before I was just an elementary, yes, that was sure.
Yeah.
I actually the principles that you're teaching us, I can understand them. Only that I cannot navigate my MT4. So sorry. So the reason why I asked you to for
Okay.
this one-on-one is I'd like to ask how to navigate my MT4. So really
Oh my
sorry.
God.
I can understand that's what you're talking about, but I cannot navigate it. You say I'm already 57, I'm already old, and
Oh my
it's
God.
very hard to teach an old horseman. I'm really willing to learn.
Yeah, but I mean, if you can understand MT4, that is the first thing you have to learn.
Yeah,
Oh dear.
yeah. Actually, I already installed MT4.
Yeah.
I'm there were I tried to navigate it, but there was this one when I opened when I tried to use the line,
Mm.
vertical, horizontal. Yeah,
So
I'm
okay,
able
I
to.
understand. So
Yeah, I'm
this
able
session,
to.
what you want to do with this session? This one this session.
I
You
just
want to
want to
focus MT4?
familiarize with the MT4.
Okay, familiar with MT4.
Yes.
Okay, okay. We will record the session. Then so you ask all the questions that you want to ask about MT4, and I will send you the recording so that you can go and always refer it to it when you need it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Give me 1 second. Let me open my MT4. Where is it? Cannot find. I see. Okay, new share. So now, can you see my screen? MT4 screen.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, what's that you want to ask?
First is there's a difference between the MT4 that I downloaded using the Fusion Market.
Yeah.
These things, of course, all of them were there, but when I say I click on the line, okay, the vertical line, I click on that, and I use it
Vertical
on my,
line.
yes, this one,
This
and
one.
I use it on my screen.
Is this vertical line?
Yes, yes, yes,
Uh-huh.
yes.
And what happened?
I want to erase that. I can't erase it.
Okay,
How?
you can see that I put my cursor over the vertical line,
Yeah.
and then you double click.
Double click.
Yeah. Now I double click. Can you see there's one small dot on top and one small dot below?
Yes.
Once I see the two dot, now I can right click. I can make changes to this line, whether I want to change the color, example, I want to change the type of line. Can you see now?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Now, if I want to delete the same thing, right now, I want to make this two dot. You can see the small little dot on top and
Yes.
dot below. So
Yes.
once I double click one more, it disappears. It
Ah,
disappeared already, which means I cannot make any changes to this vertical line.
yes.
Now, let's say I want to delete the same thing I do. I put my cursor on the vertical line, double click, yeah, and then you right click.
Right click, double click.
You double click first. You double click first to have this dot appear.
Ah, okay.
You must have this dot appear in order to do editing to this vertical line, right?
Yeah,
So
then
when you see this dot appear, now you can right click and then you delete.
yeah, that's it.
The same thing for
everything.
everything.
Okay.
Horizontal line. You see that both ends you don't have a small dot, right? You don't have. So if I want to move it, I cannot move it. If I want to change it, I cannot change it because I don't have the small dot. So in order to have a small dot, all I need to do is put my cursor over this line, double click,
Yeah.
double click, and then see that there's one dot appear. It means right now I can move the line. I can just put my cursor on the line and I can just pull the line and drop wherever I want to drop.
Yeah.
And I can do editing right now. Example, I change to the pink color and I change to this. I can change to this. Can you see now?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so
What
I can do
about
whatever I want.
Yes.
But
What
I'm
about
gonna
the candlestick?
Yeah, can I say what happened?
Yeah.
What happened?
When I open that, there seems to be some bars. Yeah, and it I wanted to
Okay, I
use
tell you what.
the candlestick.
Do you have your MT4 open now?
Yeah, but
Okay, why not you share your screen with me? I make you as a one of the host, so you can share your screen.
yes, wait. Halika nga, dali. You help me how to share screen.
I have already put you as a co-host already. Now you can share your screen. Can you see there is
Share screen.
share screen?
Participants.
You click share screen. There's a control panel where you show
Do you want
share screen.
Yes.
Okay, now you click share screen and then after that you click on your MT4 picture.
Share. That's it.
Yes, I can see now. Yes.
Let me see first. I'm going to delete this
Double click first.
and then yeah, there you go. And then
Now you can move. Now you can move around.
Right click. And then I want to delete all the things that I've done.
Just delete.
Oh. Okay. How come?
Double click first until you see a dot appear. At the end, there must be one dot appear. Otherwise, you can't do anything. Double click.
This one. Okay.
Now
I don't
right click.
like it. Yeah.
Now right click.
Yes. Delete.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, that one. I'd want to clean first my okay. Delete. Okay. Delete. Yes. Now this one. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah.
Benny?
Yeah.
What is this? Are they candlesticks?
There's a bar chart.
This is a bar chart, no?
Can you put your cursor here? This one here. Can you see that? This is bar.
This one.
Now you want to change candlestick. You click this one, candlestick, the one on the right. Yes, click the one. So now you click the plus sign, the zoom in, plus sign, this one.
This one?
This one. Can you see my cursor pointing?
No, actually, I don't see your screen.
The one that on the right, there's a plus sign, plus and minus. Can you see that? No, that one. Just beside the candlestick and the bar chart, just now where you click. Can you see this?
Just beside that.
Okay. Wow, this is going to take a long time.
You have to have patience with me within 1 hour.
Wait, okay.
You have to learn this. I can't do anything without doing this, sir.
Okay, wait. Let me show you. Let me show you. It's easier. Okay, now can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, now just now you click this. This is called bar chart. Can you see that?
Yes.
Bar chart. Now I click this one. It become candlestick chart.
It doesn't look. It doesn't change. When I tried to.
No, here there's a plus. There's a minus. Zoom out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Zoom out. No, and then plus means zoom in.
Okay.
You zoom in. You try to zoom in. Then you can see your candlestick. Zoom in. Now you share your screen again. Let me see. Share your screen.
Share. Bim, come here, Bim.
Do the same thing as what you did just now. Share your screen.
Share. Yes. You want to continue? Yes. This one.
Yeah, sama.
Ito.
Kani, ang Slack imo ipakita.
Fusion.
Oh, that one.
No, this one.
That one? We go, share.
Share.
Can you share screen? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now I see. Now click the plus sign, the zoom in.
This
Yes.
one.
Yes, yes. You can zoom in again. Yeah, correct. So now you
There
can see.
you go.
Okay.
Very elementary. No, it's kindergarten, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Then.
All right. What else? So now you let's say example you want to now you can see your candlestick the right side, the candle that on the extreme right is not the current price, right? It's not the current price. So in order to make the current price, you go to this the picture, the icon, you count from the right, the top right, 1, 2, 3, 4. You click the 4 count from the right. No, that's left from the right.
Help.
No, below. The one. One,
1,
2, 3, 4 to the
2, 3, 4. This
yes.
one.
Yes.
Shift
Click.
end.
Click.
It says shift end of the chart from right below.
Yes.
Click.
You see what happened when you click? Do you see what happened? They move your chart. They move your chart all the way to the current candlestick, so that you will not misread the old candlestick. So this function is actually to shift your chart to the left, so that you can see this current price, current candlestick.
It says there it's June 1, 2023. Am I right?
Because you are in the monthly, you are in this candlestick is 1 month. Change to daily.
So I'll put this the daily. This one.
Yeah, change to daily. Yes, this daily. So now when you change the daily, can you see your screen doesn't show you the current, today's candlestick. So in order to show you the today's candlestick, you go back to the shift chart. Yes. So now they shift your chart all the way to the left, so you can see the current candlestick.
21.
You understand?
Yeah. Let me write this first, Benny.
No need to write. No need to write, because this is recorded. I can send it to you.
Okay. Next.
No need to write. Yeah. Okay. What else?
Well, yeah. I'd want to say. I'd want to put this. How to put the range?
What do you mean?
Say there's the gap, and I need to put a line there, and the upper line and the lower line, and then to make it a gap, to record it as a range or a gap. The one that you're showing us?
I show you my chart easier. Wait. Let me show you my chart. Can you see my empty file now?
Yes.
Okay. You want to show the gap, is it?
Yeah.
So example, let me see where is the gap. Okay, let's say example, I have a gap here. Can you see this candle high and this candle low?
Yeah.
Right. So I use this rectangle box. Can you see I click on the rectangle box? I can draw like this.
What does it show? The single box.
This one. Draw rectangular.
Okay.
How to get this? You put your cursor. Can you see there's some black hairline on this arrow key to the left? Right?
Yes.
Put your cursor there. You click one time. You right click one time. And then you say customize.
Okay.
Right? So once you click customize, you can see that you have a left panel which is show available on the right panel selected. Now, by default, this rectangle box was actually located on the left. So if you locate on the left, you will not able to see on the screen, on my screen. You can see
Yes.
now it disappear.
Yes.
So if I want to put that back appear on my top panel, I have to click rectangle and then insert. Can you see?
Yes.
Now this back to here. Now I can use it to draw rectangle box.
Ah, that's why.
So if I want to delete the same thing, I put my cursor over the rectangular box, the four corner. I double click. You can see there's one dot appear. Then I right click. I can change color. Example, I want to change color to, let's say, example, to maybe blue. All right. And I want to delete, example, I can delete. So everything is the same. Whenever you draw something on your MP4, and if you want to do editing, whether to change color or whether want to delete off, you always have to double click first until you see a dot circle at the edge. Then you can delete it.
Okay.
Everything the same thing. You want to remove anything that you draw on your MP4. You got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I just delete off. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah. What else?
Yeah. I'd want to know, because you were talking last session about the how to spot.
No, let's focus on MT4 first. Don't talk about lesson. Don't mix up everything. Get one at a time.
Yeah.
What other things you have question on MT4?
Okay. MP4. Actually, that's the only thing that yeah, I still
Okay.
need a lot of things to know,
Okay.
but
You know how to
do
put in
we-
order, right?
no, not yet. Actually, I have an idea, but please
Okay,
demonstrate.
if you want to click in order, you click new order. Can you see new order?
Yeah.
New order. So your screen will appear, right? Your order screen will appear. So let's say as example, for example, you want to buy something that, okay, you want to buy when the price come down to, example, say this area. You want to buy, right? And you want to put a stop loss here, example. And then you want to put your target here, example. All right. So what you do is you open your new order, you change this market execution into pending order. Pending order.
Where do I see it? I can see it.
See, market execution. Can you see my order window?
No. Yeah, that's it.
Can you see? New
Yes.
order. You click new order, right? Then you will see market execution. You don't want market execution. You want to change to pending order. Right?
Okay.
And then since you are buying, you only want to buy when the price move to here. Can you see here? Move to this line. That line is about 156.8. So buy limit, you key in here 15, what did I say? 156.8. You key in, this is your entry, right? But the current price is above 156.8. So even you put in your order will not be executed because the price has not come to the level that you wanted to buy.
Yes, that's right.
So now let's say you want, after you put, then you say, okay, this is where I want to enter the price. That's okay. This is the low here is where I want to put my stop loss.
Stop loss.
Your stop loss is, let's say example is 155.4. So you go up here, stop loss. You put in 155.4.
Okay.
Right? Take profit. Take profit is this high. So it's 159.2. So you come here, 159.2.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay, once everything done, Now check how many lot you want to buy. See how many lot you want to buy. You can change here. All right. You can change whatever number that you want to buy. You got it?
Yes.
So now,
Wait,
once everything okay,
Wait.
yeah, yeah,
Sir.
yeah.
There is this lot. Di ba there is mini lot. And there is, how do I know that I'm buying the mini lot?
Okay. When you have 0.01, this is micro lot. When you have 2 decimal point, it's micro, smaller than mini. So when you want to buy 1 mini lot, is 1 decimal point. You put in 0.1. This 1 mini lot. Right? So if you say I want to buy 4 mini lot, you put in 0.4. This 4 mini lot. Let's say you say, okay, when your account getting more, you say I want to buy 2 standard lot. You put 2.
Then in how much would it cost? Because I should know how much money do I have in my broker's account.
So you calculate. If you buy at price 156.8, if your entry price is 156.8, right? 0.8, and then your stop loss. What is your stop loss? Your stop loss is 155.4. So what's the difference? What's the difference? The difference is the pips, right?
Okay.
Different. So you take the difference. Let's say example. Here, of course, here the difference is a lot, right? 156.4. The difference is, example, if your difference is about 100 pips, or let's say 80 pips, example. Your buying price and your stop loss is 80 pips. Let me write down. Okay, let's say your buying price, and the difference between your buying price and your stop loss is 80 pips.
Okay.
So if you enter 2 mini lot with 0.2, right? So that means that if the trade doesn't work out, you will have a loss of 80 pips multiply
by
$2. By how many contracts? If you buy how many lot? If you buy, let's say 1 lot, so your loss will be 160. If you buy 1 lot, if you buy 2 lot, then your loss will be 320. You got it?
Okay.
So how much is your risk, or how much is your loss? Maximum loss is the difference between your entry and the stop loss. If your entry and stop loss, the difference is 40 pips.
Yeah, but I'd like to know if say I want to buy, I'd like to know if I still have enough capital in my in my account. That is why I should know, say, I'm buying 156, 2 lots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see, there is this call. Now, if you want to avoid all these things, now there is this this app called Risk Calculator. Right? This risk calculator basically will help you to calculate how much risk, how many lot you can trade. Example. All right, but this one you have to pay. Which I don't think you want to pay, right?
Yeah, that's
yeah. See, that's the problem. These are the thing that this is third-party software, the app. Now, it will be very helpful, but you have to pay, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's the problem, yeah. So, alternatively, you can go to the website. You can use let me see whether any free free calculator for FX for MP4. Let me see whether if there's any apps. Position size calculator. Let me see whether this is okay.
Yeah, because I need to know how much I would be risking.
Yeah, I know.
It's not good business if you enter into a market and you don't know how much are you risking.
Yeah. Okay,
And
this is the. Let me see whether you can. What size of loss? Wait. Let me look for one app for you, so easy for you to use. Yeah.
Yeah.
Risk calculator for MP4. Size calculator.
them, you going out? Huh?
Position size calculator. Okay, this is the one. Copy. I send it to your Slack. There's a link there. You can go and click later, and you share. Can you see this position size calculator?
Yes. I did. I saw it.
So I have sent this link to into your Slack. You can check later, right? So this is example account currency. Your account currency is US dollar. You open based on US dollar. You can different currency that you choose, right? So let's say example your currency maintain in the broker is US. If Fusion is US dollar, and then your account size depends on what is your account size. Let's say example you put in $1,000 in your account, and risk ratio. I think is, let's say you risk 1%. Stop loss 40 pips. Calculate. No, this is not. No, this is no good. This is no good. I look for another one. This one no good. This is a bit. This is not what you need.
Minus ang sa akin ako. Mas good.
Baka. Ayan. Okay. Ilan?
Position size. Position size. Position size calculator.
Ikaw ba na kayo din? Okay.
Okay. 3 sa'yo. 2 mo. Sabi mo ipabawas sa allowance niya.
What is the EA? See accounts that ratios. Position size calculator.
Sama niyo si Bang?
Hindi yung susunod.
Hmm?
Susunod.
Nandun yata sa ganun.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Currency, account currency, US dollar, account balance. Account balance is how much you have. Let's say you have 1,200
1,000.
account. Okay.
1,000. 1,000
Okay.
only.
Okay, 1,000.
That's the one
Okay.
I'm going to use.
Okay, 1,000. So how much you want to risk for every trade, right? I recommend not more than 2%. Let's say put in 1%. Okay.
Yes, yes.
1%. Now stop loss. How many how many pips stop loss? Stop loss means that how many pips means that your entry price, the difference between your entry price and your stop loss price. It can be a buy, and it can be a sell. It depends on it. No different. It's just a difference between your entry and your stop loss. Let's say entry between stop loss is 25 example.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you calculate. So amount that risk will be $10. Can you see that?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So if you trade mini lot 0.4, and if this trade doesn't work out, you will lose
$10.
$10. Right? So no. So basically, this calculator shows you that if you have $1,000 in your account, and if you want to risk 1% for every trade, in the event the trade doesn't work out, right? Then you risk $25, 25 pips. In a mini account, right? Your amount at risk is $10.
This $10 is based on what? 1,000 or
Based on 1,000.
based
So
on 1,000?
let's say that if your account go up to, let's say 3,000 example, yeah, and you still want to risk 1%, right? So now if this trade doesn't work out, right, you will lose $30. But when you put in your mini lot, you are putting in 1.2 mini lot, which means 1.2 standard lot. You got it? That means that, example, if you have a capital of $3,000, right, and you only want to risk 1% for every trade, and your entry price, your entry can be a buying price, can be a selling price, right? Your entry price depends on which direction you are going to bet, right?
Yeah.
The entry price and your stop loss, right? And the stop loss is 25 pips. Okay. So with this capital, with this stop loss, with 1%, with these three criteria, this calculator will tells you that you can trade 1.2 mini lot. If this trade doesn't work out, you will lose $30 US.
Yeah.
You follow me?
Yeah, yes. But if I have an account balance with my broker and I don't need to enter all that 3,000 with with my entry, say JPY, USD JPY. I'd only want to enter around, say, 500. Is it possible?
What do you mean 500?
$500.
You want to risk $500? What do you mean $500? I don't understand your question. Can you repeat it? Can you rephrase it?
Okay.
You want to trade
with this $3,000, can I trade not only one?
Of course, you can trade multiple currency. You can trade more than one currency. Let's say you have how much? You have $1,000.
Yeah, I don't need to consume all my account in one trade.
No, you're not putting all your account. Let's say you example, you have $1,000 in your account. And you say, I want to risk only 0.5,
Uh-huh.
right? 0.5%, less than 1%. And now your stop loss, let's say example, is 35 pips. And you are trading dollar yen, right? Dollar yen. So you calculate. Just click calculate. Current US dollar price. What is this price? Current price is how come they ask you for dollar yen price? Let's see. 145.40. 145.40 example. The current price. So if you want to trade dollar yen example, dollar yen, right? And you want to risk 35 pips for that trade, and you risk only 0.5% for every single trade. Your capital is $1,000. Now with this, you can actually enter 0.2 mini lot. And if this trade doesn't work out, you lost only $5. Yeah, so this is how to calculate what is the dollar value if the trade doesn't work out. Right? So let's say you trade Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie dollar. And now you want to risk 0.5%. Now your stop loss example, you want to increase to 40 pips. Okay. So you can pick up, you can enter, you can look at the example, Aussie dollar. And let's say Aussie dollar right now is moving up like this. And they say, okay, I want to enter here and I want to place my
Stop loss.
Stop loss here. All right. And then you measure, you calculate the entry price and the stop loss price. The difference is example 25 pips. All right. So you want to know if this trade doesn't work out, how much is your loss, right? You want to know that, right? So what you do is your account, then you key in your trading account, how much account balance you have, right? Because your account balance will keep changing, right? As you make money, you get more. If you lose money, you get less. Then you can change what kind of risk that you want to take. So as this example, I want to risk 0.5%. So now my stop loss is 25. So I key in 25. So I want to know that if this trade doesn't work out, I only have $1,000 in my account and I risk 0.5%. How much is in dollar size? I can trade 2 mini lot. You can say they tell you can trade 2 mini lot based on this risk parameter. And if you lose, if the trade doesn't work out, your maximum loss is $5. Okay. So now let's say another scenario. Let's say that now because you have been making money and now your account grew up to $1,200, and you still risk 0.5% per trade, and the stop loss is 25. So you want to know how many mini lot can you trade, right? Just now was based on 1,000, and you can trade 2 mini lot, and if the trade doesn't work out, your loss is $5. What if your account now go up to $1,200, right? How much is that? Well, he said that, well, since your account has grown by $1,200 by $200 extra, now you can put in 0.24 mini lot. If it doesn't work out, your loss is $6. You follow?
Yeah.
So now let's say that your account now down to $600. You have been losing money, right? Let's say example to $600, and you still remain the same risk, 0.5% per trade, and the stop loss is still remain at 25%, at 25 pips. So you want to find out if this trade doesn't, if I take the trade, if I only want to risk 0.5 with this trading capital with 25 pip as a stop loss, how many lot can I trade in order to stay within 0.5% risk? And if I lose, how much is the value? So you calculate. You can see that this calculator tells you that you can trade 0.12 mini lot. And if it doesn't work out, your loss is $3. So
Okay.
all this keep changing according to this input, right? So now let's say you have account down to $600, and then now you say I want to increase my risk to, let's say, example 2%, just example, yeah. And now my stop loss is become 30 pips, right? So you want to find out with this new parameter, how many mini lot can I buy, and if I lose, how much? So you put in these three parameters, you calculate, you click calculate. Okay, that's that. They tell you that, well, now you can, based on this parameter, you can trade 0.4 mini lot, which is 4 mini lot, right? And if this trade doesn't work out, because now your risk become 2%, you will lose $12 if this trade doesn't work out. You follow me?
Yeah.
So all this result, it depends on these three input that you're going to put in. Of course, also plus the currency that you are trading. Right? Example, now I want to calculate pound dollar. So you put in pound dollar. So now let's say my account size right now is, I make the money over time, and now it's 1,008. And I want to risk 1%, right? And the stop loss is 40 pips, right? So I want to find out if I'm trading pound dollar right now, and my capital is 1,008, I want to risk 1% for every single trade. My stop loss is 40 pips. How many lot can I trade, and how much it will cost me if I lose? You calculate. Okay. So it tells you that you can trade
$18.
0.45 mini lot, which is, and then if you lose, you lost $18. Is that what you want? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah, I also, yes, I need that also.
Okay, so I copy this link. I send it to you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
This is another question. Say, I entered the brokers at Fusion.
Yeah.
I have 1,000 there, 1,000.
Yeah.
This $1,000, because you said account currency and account balance, do I have to put all those account balance $1,000 with Fusion?
If you want to get their sponsorship.
Yeah, because
if you want to get their sponsorship, you must put in a minimum of $1,000.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, but if you say I'm not interested in the sponsorship, I don't need the sponsorship, then you can put in $10 also can.
Okay.
Now you can start trading your account with only $10, but $10 is really too small, right? Even you make money also very small.
Where will it take me?
Yeah. So it is so as far as Fusion is concerned, their minimum is $10 to open account, live account. $10. But if you want to get their sponsorship of $300, you need to put a deposit of $1,000 into your account.
That's what I'm planning to do.
Yeah, you have to do that.
Yeah.
But once you have put in your $1,000, they will check, and after that, they will credit $300 into your account. So now your account will become $1,300.
Yeah.
And you can withdraw your money
after 2 months.
Withdraw your $300 anytime. But your $1,000 can only withdraw after I think how many months, I can't remember. I think
2 months.
2 months.
You told me before.
Yeah, I think it's 2 months. Yeah. So your initial deposit has to lock in with them for minimum 2 months before you can withdraw.
Yeah, I know.
All right. Yeah, that's all. That's what you meant.
Yeah. I plan to put in money with Fusion.
Yeah.
By within the week.
Do it first. I would suggest faster do it, because this program has been running for some time. I'm not sure how long it's going to continue, right? They can stop anytime. So you do it first and get your $300 first. And if you are not ready to trade, you don't have to trade immediately.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, but get your $300 first.
Yes, that's right.
Before they stop the program, then you have nothing, no more,
Yeah,
right?
I'll do
So
that.
go and deposit $1,000 and go and then you have you joined my program $300 already?
Yes, that's why
Yes.
I
So
have
yeah,
this
okay.
on
Then
one.
Pastor, I will inform them you have enrolled for a 6-month mentorships. So they will immediately credit the $300 to you.
Yes.
So now your account will have $1,300.
$300.
And you do not have to trade now if you are not ready.
Mm,
But get your $300 first before the promotion go away. That's the one thing I keep saying that. Because the money go to your account is yours. But
yeah,
as long as the money don't go to your account, it's not yours yet.
yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah. Next is and I'd love to go back to that question a while ago
Yeah, what is that?
because you were trading an account balance, which is say $1,000, and it says there with a calculator, I have to put it there 1,000. Isn't it that the $1,000 that's account balance? Can I how much entry? Say I only want to enter the market with Euro USD $300.
Mm-hmm.
So would that calculator also calculate the risk?
I don't understand your question. Can you rephrase it again? Rephrase it. What do you mean? I don't get it.
Say I have an account with Fusion Market, which is $1,000. No?
Okay.
I want to put in or say Euro USD $300 only.
Why you want to put in $300? Why? What is it for? What is the $300 for?
Because I want to trade also other currencies.
Yeah. No, you don't want to tell me trend. Let's say you can see you have account of $1,000, right? And you want to trade UJ, you want to trade EU, and you want to trade GU, example, 3 currency. And every currency you want to risk 1%. 1%. Correct? Every currency you want to risk 1%.
Yes.
So as I mentioned just now to you, right? You can key in, okay, my account is $1,000. I want to trade UJ 1%. My stop loss is UJ. You calculate on for UJ, my stop loss will be 25 pips. For EU, my stop loss is 30 pips. For GU, my stop loss is 45 pips. Because the reason why I say that is because when you look at the chart and if you say, okay, the current price is here, and you want to enter here when the price comes down, and your stop loss you're going to put below here. So it depends on the different currency. It can be a different pips, right?
Yeah.
Right. So let's say example, the UJ is 25, EU is 30, then GU is 45.
Yeah.
So when you use your calculator, which I showed you just now, they will tell you, okay, for UJ, if you want to reach 1%, you can trade maybe 0.3. If you lost 1%, whatever number they will show you just now. You can look at the calculator. And for EU, you do the same thing. I want to trade EU right now. My stop loss is 30 pips. Then the calculator will show you how many mini lot can you buy. They say, okay, you can buy 0.25. And if you lost 1%. Based on the $1,000, right? Which is about $25, something like that, right? Then for GU, you say, okay, my stop loss is 45. Then they do the same thing. Then the calculator might show you, okay, with this one, you can only trade 0.18 example. So you doesn't have to say that, okay, I want to put in $300 out of my $1,000 to trade all this. Because if the UJ, just now we calculate for 3 mini lot for this, your maximum loss example is just now what? $3. This one is $2. This one is maybe example $2. If the trade doesn't work out, right? It's all based on one contract. So if you have 3 currency all open at the same time, and all this trade doesn't work out, or doesn't work out, Your maximum risk is only, example, $3, $2, and $2. It's only like $7. And you have $1,000. What is that for you to worry? You don't have to worry. So I have $1,000 in my account and I want to take out $300 to trade this currency, that currency. You don't have to do that. Your $1,000 is the currency that you're going to base upon when you calculate how many lot you're going to trade.
Okay.
You got it? You understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, so you again, let me show you again. I go to the calculator. Give me a second. Let me open up the calculator. Where's the calculator? Okay, this one. Can you see the calculator?
Not yet.
Can you see now?
No. I can see myself.
You can see yourself. Okay. How about now?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So just as I mentioned, right, just now your account size, example, you key in, okay, I have $1,000 and I want to reach 1%, right?
Yeah.
So for EUJ, just now we say that, okay, your stop loss is just now we say 30 pips, right? Then you change this to EUJ. Then they ask you the current EUJ, what's the asking price? They say, okay, then you look at the chart, the current price for EUJ is 145.6. Just key in. Then you click calculate. See?
Yeah.
What did they say? He said that, well, for this kind of parameter that you key in, right, you can trade 4.8 mini lot, 0.48. You can round it up to 0.5. Right? And they say, well, if this trade doesn't work out, you lost $10. Right? So that's what for UJ. So now then you say, I have another opportunity, which is EU. You change to EU. For EU, the stop loss is 35 pips. And the rest, everything remain the same. So for that particular, for EU pet trade, you can trade 0.28. You can round it up to 0.3. So if the trade doesn't work out, how much your maximum risk? $10.
$10. Really? Okay.
You see that? So now then if let's say you have another opportunity that you want to take. Now this time is, let's say, example, GU. You change to GU. GU, the pip is stop loss is 45 pip, example. And everything remain the same, right? You calculate. Or for GU, I can trade 0.22. So we round down, right? 0.2, I can trade 0.2. If I trade this, if this trade doesn't work out, my maximum loss is $10. So now, if let's say all these three trade all doesn't work out, so GU you lost maximum $10. EU you lost how much just now we say?
10.
10 also.
The other one is 10 also.
10 also. So maximum loss is only $30 out of your $1,000. You do not have to say that, okay, I have account of $1,000. I want to put aside $300 to trade all this. You do not have to do that. You don't have to do that.
Okay. Now I understand.
You understand, huh?
Yeah.
So this calculator is very useful. Basically tells you your number of win and loss. It depends on how much risk that you want to take. If you risk more, example, of course, you're going to trade more and you're going to lose more.
Yeah. You did not teach us that.
This is too basic to teach. This one you're wasting time.
But for us who don't have any knowledge about Forex, this is very important. My goodness.
Actually,
just imagine us.
Actually, in my website, how you call it, in my website, they have the Forex basic. Forex basic. All these are inside there. Even MT4. I teach you how to use MT4. You can access to the Order Flow Academy website, right? Can you? Can you?
Yeah.
So let me show you that page. New share. All right. Can you see my can you see now?
Yes.
Okay. So you log in. you go to Forex introductions,
Uh-huh.
right? This is where all the basics. I have to log in first. Alamak. Once you log in, go to the Forex. I just show you the one. Log in. Okay. So here it teach you all the basic. What is currency pair? If you say you are really newbies, you see,
Mm-hmm.
you go through and read through. These are all the basic.
Mm.
Yeah. I'm not sure there's a video on the MT4. I don't know where is it. It's a basic. Last time I used to have video on the MT4. I'm not sure whether it's still there. Forex. This one, DIY Forex course. See whether the video there.
It's just like the seminar that we.
Yeah, it's there. That's why you can always go and see, look at all this. But this one don't have the video on the MT4. Those are basic.
Mm-hmm.
That's why it's not there. It's not there. It's not here. But anyway, I have gone through with you about the MT4. You have any more questions on MT4?
No.
No. Okay. Any other questions then?
Can I ask the ones that I wanted to ask?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Yes, when I tried to browse the what is that? There are three DHL last session,
Yeah,
the swing low and the swing high.
yeah.
These are the what is that? Reversal patterns. Am I right?
I don't know why you're talking. Can you repeat again? I don't know why you're talking. What I don't know why
You
you're
didn't
asking.
hear? Yeah. Last time
Uh-huh.
you discussed about the reversal patterns, the four patterns
Yeah.
would appear. But then, it's very difficult for me. What are this? How do they look like? This reversal pattern, the DHL, the swing low, and the swing high. I could not recognize no matter how I tried. What are the characteristics of this reversal patterns?
Which one? Example, this is a reversal pattern. Can you see my chart now? MT4?
Yeah.
This is see? The green candle is candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. This is a swing high.
What is that? Yeah. What is the characteristic of the swing high?
First, a swing high, you can see a green candle, right? Then you see, in this example, you see a red candle. And third candle, and like this. See, the characteristic of this is the second candle, you have a DHL on the first candle high. Can you see that?
What is that? These are three. Is that a DHL or swing high?
It's a DHL also, it's a swing high. So you can see the green candle is the first candle, candle 1. This candle 2. This candle 3. correct?
Uh,
So candle 2, DHL candle 1, isn't it?
wait.
Candle
Good.
2, DHL candle 1 high.
What? How did it become a DHL? What
Because
is?
the wick, can see this wick?
Yes.
The wick trade above the first candle high and then it close below the first candle high, which is here. That's DHL. Look at this. This is DHL. This candle, the red candle, trade above the candle on the left high and it closed below. That's a DHL.
Below what?
It closed below the first candle high. First candle high.
Yeah.
Look at this one. First candle high.
Yes.
It trade above, the second candle trade above, and then it closed here, right? The closing price here, which is below the first candle high. So there's a DHL.
Okay, wait. It closed below the opening of the first candle.
Yeah, high.
Yeah.
Look at it. This is a DHL.
DHL. In DHL there are only two candles.
Yeah, DHL only 2 candles.
Two candles.
There's a DHL high, right? Now this is a DHL low.
Wait. DHL high
DHL low.
and low.
Yeah.
A DHL high.
DHL low.
Ang first candle
DHL
niya,
low.
that one first candle green.
It doesn't have to be, that color is not important. Important is look at the wick. You can see that, remember, it's 3, for DHL is 2 candle, 1 and 2, right?
Yeah.
For a DHL, it doesn't matter of the color of the candle. It's always the wick.
Wick.
So if this is the first candle. Now, if the second candle is really higher than the candle on the high, but it close below and give you like something like this. So that is a DHL. Because this candle close, right? It go up higher than this high, but it close below here. So it's a DHL. Just like this one. It go up above this, the candle left high, but where does it close? It come down and it close here.
Below?
Yeah.
It closed below what?
Below this high. Previous candle high.
Okay.
Just like this one. These two. It trade above.
Yes.
Above, and it close below previous candle high. That's a DHL.
When you say it closed below the previous candle high,
yeah.
Where am I looking at? This one, the previous high?
Yes. It's always the previous candle high. I keep saying the previous candle high.
Okay.
Previous candle high.
Okay.
Right, that's the DHL. Look at this. DHL. Previous candle high.
What
DHL.
about this one? There are two.
I cannot see which one you're referring to.
Hey.
But you understand the concept, right? Concept. You
Yes.
just take any two current candle. DHL, it trade above the previous candle high.
Yeah.
Trade above the previous candle high and close below. That is a DHL. Trade above the previous candle high.
What about this one? This one.
I don't see your cursor. I can't see your cursor.
Okay.
I can't see your cursor.
This one.
No, like
no.
I will never see your cursor because you are not I'm showing my screen. You are not showing your screen.
Yeah.
You got it? So
yes,
you can't see. Unless you show your screen.
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay.
Okay, sige, sige.
Oh my goodness, it's so basic, you know. Oh,
Well, I told you, that's why I need a one-on-one.
I thought this one long time ago you should have already know.
No, I don't know. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Okay.
But I just really need to learn because I don't have income. I need to earn.
Yeah.
I'm already old. I
Okay,
cannot
I tell
handle
what,
business anymore.
I will, the session end, I have to go right now. Do you have any other question?
No more.
Huh? I tell
No
what,
more.
why not we set up another one in 2 weeks' time. Set up another one
Yes.
instead. So in 1 month, I'm going to give you two sessions instead of one session.
Yes. I
Okay?
praise God. Thank you.
Yeah. Because now I have to go because I have another appointment to make.
When would it be?
2 weeks later, you make another one. So every 2 weeks, we meet up online for a session like this.
Yes. Thank you very
Okay?
much. Okay.
Yeah. Can, huh?
Okay na. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Okay. I'll send you the video so you watch the video, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you
Bye.
very much. Bye.